Have you ever wondered if you could conquer the world of YouTube Shorts using the power of AI? Well, get ready to join me on an exhilarating journey as I dive headfirst into the world of YouTube Shorts, armed with nothing but my beginner's enthusiasm and the remarkable capabilities of AI. I decided to put my skills to the test and see if I could create captivating YouTube Shorts using AI-generated content. Why AI, you might ask? Well, as a beginner, I needed a way to streamline my creative process and experiment without breaking the bank. AI seemed like the perfect solution, offering a wealth of tools and possibilities at my fingertips. To kickstart my YouTube Shorts venture, I researched and carefully selected the best AI tools available, from generating video ideas and rewriting articles to create stunning visuals and even crafting thumbnails. AI became my ultimate creative companion throughout this exhilarating journey. But it wasn't all smooth sailing. I faced numerous challenges along the way. As a beginner, finding my rhythm and understanding what resonated with the audience was a learning process. I had to navigate the world of content creation and constantly adapt my approach based on the insights and feedback I received. However, through perseverance and determination, I began to see incredible results. My YouTube Shorts started getting traction, capturing the attention of viewers from all around the world. The engagement and interaction were truly inspiring, proving that AI can be a valuable ally for beginners like myself. Looking back on this 30-day adventure, I've learned so much about the power of AI and its potential in revolutionizing content creation. It allowed me to explore ideas, experiment with different styles, and rapidly iterate my content. Most importantly, it taught me the importance of embracing technology while infusing my own creative and personal touch into every video. Now it's your turn to unleash your creativity and dive into the world of YouTube Shorts. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator, AI can be a valuable tool in your arsenal. So grab your camera, harness the power of AI, and let your imagination run wild. Who knows what incredible stories you'll tell and what impact you'll make. Join me on this thrilling adventure as I recount the ups and downs, the challenges and triumphs of my 30-day YouTube Shorts journey. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and